Hello, this is EcoEdge, and spring has arrived with blooming flowers. I want to take this opportunity to talk about artificial intelligence, which unfortunately is often the subject of bullying. Today, we will explore how artificial intelligence can be applied in the fields of safety, health, and environment at industrial sites. Artificial intelligence is a technology designed to mimic or replace human intelligence, enabling artificially created programs to perform tasks similarly to humans. We encounter its presence frequently in our daily lives, such as smartphone voice recognition, automatic translation, and self-driving cars. Its application is not only limited to general fields but can also be utilized in the fields of safety, health, and environment in industrial sites. Let's first examine how artificial intelligence can be utilized in the field of safety. It can be employed for preventive safety management by predicting hazards and risk factors in advance during site selection, design, construction, or maintenance of structures like buildings, roads, and bridges. Therefore, the use of drones to monitor structural stability by capturing structures in 3D has become increasingly popular. This technology can help prevent accidents such as collapses of multi-use facilities, like high-rise buildings and social infrastructure, such as bridges. Secondly, artificial intelligence can be utilized for accident prediction and response within the workplace. By installing CCTV and implementing computer vision technology and deep learning algorithms, worker behavior patterns or leakage of harmful substances can be recognized and alerts can be sent for abnormal behavior or emergencies. Additionally, intruders attempting to climb over walls or approach off-limits areas can be recognized and alerted, thus protecting trade secrets and preventing property theft. Thirdly, artificial intelligence plays a significant role in emergency response. By monitoring the occurrence of natural disasters like earthquakes, floods, and typhoons, life-saving activities and disaster prevention measures can be established. Artificial intelligence is particularly useful in risk detection and prevention in the field of safety. It is possible to analyze past accident records and measurement values to select areas with a high probability of an accident and monitor and predict in real time. In this way, accidents can be prevented in advance and efficiently dealt with even if they occur. Furthermore, artificial intelligence can be introduced to enhance safety in the automobile, construction, and military fields. By monitoring the driver's condition, road conditions, traffic conditions, etc., the risk of accidents can be minimized, and appropriate responses can be taken in the event of an accident. In the military field, artificial intelligence can detect and prevent danger in combat situations, monitor troop status, and provide necessary information for operational execution. Additionally, artificial intelligence is widely utilized in the field of industrial health to not only prevent health disorders but also diagnose and treat diseases. This is particularly relevant for workers who are exposed to hazardous substances in their work environment. Access to information regarding harmful substances and MSDS is absolutely essential. It would be beneficial to provide workers with more accurate and expedient access to their health information. One way to accomplish this is through the use of artificial intelligence technology. First, there is a technology that can detect hazardous substances through the use of AI-enabled detection devices installed in the workplace. Real-time monitoring allows for immediate action to be taken if hazardous substance concentrations exceed the exposure standard. Secondly, an MSDS provision system can be created using artificial intelligence. AI technology can be used to organize the necessary information in MSDS, categorize it according to work content, and make it easily searchable for workers. This would allow workers to more efficiently access necessary hazardous material information, optimized for their specific work environment. Thirdly, AI technology can be utilized to provide health education and training systems. There are also technologies that use AI to monitor the health status of workers, analyze X-ray, CT, or MRI images, and create automatic diagnosis reports. Collecting and analyzing workers' health data can allow for the implementation of a system that predicts health conditions and takes preventative measures. In the future, AI is expected to continue to develop and create systems that can predict workers' health status and provide preventative measures to protect their well-being. Finally, let me discuss the field of environmental applications for artificial intelligence. At a broad level, AI can be utilized to analyze and forecast climate data to inform decision-making regarding climate change. Additionally, AI can be applied to energy management to analyze and optimize energy consumption patterns in buildings, including predictive models for heating, cooling, lighting, and water systems. This can enhance energy efficiency and contribute to environmental protection. Furthermore, AI can detect and monitor natural disasters and air pollution through image and sensor data analysis, particularly in addressing industrial pollution problems that continuously emit pollutants during factory operations. Real-time measurement and analysis systems can predict and prevent pollution, promoting a more comfortable and secure working environment. Specifically, AI can be applied to air quality management to collect and analyze data on harmful substances and fine dust concentration for proposing improvement measures and taking early action. Waste management can also be optimized through AI, identifying the amount and type of waste and suggesting appropriate sorting and disposal methods. Water quality can be monitored to detect and address pollution, while resource management can prevent waste and conserve resources through monitoring and analyzing efficiency and recyclability. The fourth industrial revolution and artificial intelligence are closely intertwined, as are sensor-based measurements and analysis. For automatic control, robots are also necessary, and in some cases, parts of machines may need to be produced using a 3D printer. Additionally, the ability to collect and analyze large amounts of data, including big data, is essential for finding optimal solutions. Overall, it requires significant effort to successfully adapt to a constantly changing world. Today, we discussed the current and future applications of artificial intelligence in the areas of safety, health, and environment in industrial settings. In terms of safety, AI is utilized for prevention, accident prediction, and emergency response. It relies on past accident records and measurements to achieve its goals. AI can also be applied to the health field for sensing technology, MSDS information provision, education and training, and health examinations. Additionally, AI is essential in managing air quality, waste, water, and other resources in the environmental sector. In our next discussion, we will explore what artificial intelligence is and how to utilize it effectively, including the hot topic of ChatGPT. Thank you for watching until the end, and please consider subscribing, liking, and enabling notifications before leaving. Until now, it was EcoEsh. Thank you.